Hey all, this is a quick video for this hair dryer, curling wand, and so forth. So just to give you an idea, here's the accessories that you get in the box. You also get this nice carrying bag, soft carrying bag, and some gloves, or a glove. Is it some gloves? No, two gloves. Nope, just one glove. And clip. This is the unit itself. I haven't taken off this protective wrap here yet because I'm not going to be using it. I'm going to give it to my daughter. This here is the lock unlock feature. So you can, if it's unlocked, you can twist this around like this so that it's facing that way. So then you have another lock here if you want to lock things up. Okay. So just to note that. You also have all the controls here. So to power on, you press and hold. There you can hear the noise level it makes. And you have your different fan speeds. You have hot and cold. And then I think that's for your hair dryer on this side. Haven't read all the instructions yet, but that's the basics of it. And then you press and hold to turn it off. So hopefully this helps you out. It feels like it's a nice strong blower for drying your hair, so it shouldn't take too long to blow dry your hair compared to some others that I've tested in their strength. So I'd say this is better, if not similar. You've got, if you're not using all the attachments, you've got that pretty narrow area here, which is going to obviously concentrate the air a little bit faster and harder as well. So just FYI, hope this helps.
Hello folks, today I am reviewing the SUPGALY hair dryer. This particular one I kind of like and I kind of don't like, and I'm going to go over the few things I like about it and then the few things I don't like about it. First and foremost, this is how you turn it on. It has 3 settings: cold, warm low, and warm high. And then I think, yeah, that button makes the air cold. What I don't like about it is this. When you put it on, you have to screw it backwards to let it pop in. See, there it just popped. And then it just spins. You don't know for sure whether or not you have it locked or not unless you pull on it. And you gotta get lined up just right. And it's big. It is absolutely big. It's hard for my hand to fit around it. There it goes. You have to get it lined up just right for it to pop back off. Same thing with these little ones. It's really, really hard to get it to pop in place. Once it is, it's secure, but it just spins. It doesn't lock. And then it just pops right back off. And I think that time I got it in crooked, so it didn't go in all the way. I love the on-off. I love the colors. It is a very comfortable fit. But I do not like how these heads go on and off. I hope this helps.